Hello everyone, JP Brooks with Fitman Group here. Happy 2026 and welcome to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the rundown.
Happy New Year. Welcome back. The first rundown of 2026. I am very excited about this year. We got some fun stats for you later, but I want to start off with some numbers from our friends over at Market Genie. Numbers are as usual as we expect over holiday season. However, we did see a 27% compared over Christmas week. So kind of expected we're coming back, but I'm interested to hear what we did in 2025. Kevin, what do you got? I know you got some numbers for us.
Always excited to do this by the numbers episode. So I'll provide a bit of product usage numbers. This is across just over 9,000 customers, 9 products within aftermarket for Velo. There was 45 million ROs created from our systems in 2025. That equates to about $8.46 billion in repair revenue. And we average just over $600 for that average ticket or that ARO that we love to talk about. And one of the new things that we started tracking, which I think is super important, especially with our emphasis on DVI, is we had just over 2 million digital vehicle inspections generated in 2025 as well. So really great on the product usage side, really great on the aftermarket side. Tony, tell me about digital marketing growth.
Yeah, we saw an explosive 2025. So we kind of took a step back and looked at our strategy for our clients, implemented some new things, paying attention to AI and all the current buzzwords. Kevin, here's the crazy part. We saw a 76% increase in total phone calls over 24 for our customers. Managed spend went up. Our clients are trusting us to use the best use of their dollars, and we're winning for them. And here's the biggest one. We saw a 47% increase in conversions. So what we're doing is working. The shops are feeling it. They're getting more new business. I'm going to pop over to our new favorite one, the Feel Good. What do you got for us?
Feel Good this week is all about our AMP customer and employee kickoff event in Tulsa next week. This is the 4th year that we've done it. Typically spend 2 days talking about 2025 wins, 26 strategy. We have a customer advisory board. You'll see a bunch of content and articles come out about it. But we're really excited to get together because really outside of SEMA and Apex, this is the only time of year that we actually can get in person and celebrate. Thanks everybody for joining in the rundown, and we will see you live at AMP next week.